Hi everyone. So yesterday I posted a video about the fuel pump removal, repair and the fuel filters, that this is the primary which is losing fibers, it's shedding like a dog, and the secondary fuel filter is collecting it and it's getting clogged. You just need to pull it down with the help of a screwdriver, and yeah, so it's going to be replaceable. Thankfully, it's a pain in the ass job, because to remove the top section from the bottom section is very difficult. And these ones, as you remove them, you need to stretch them, and you see where the material is whiter. As I'm bending it, it's getting damaged. So thankfully I have another fuel pump installed, but this is just garbage now. But you need to be extra careful. And yeah, I haven't seen these on AliExpress, because the BMWs have a different, similar, but the mounting section is different. Let me measure it with the caliper.